But for a switch in browsers, I would actually have to go and fetch the page again because a lot of these exploits are fingerprinting me and serving me. So I would have to literally visit the page one time per configuration. Something we definitely want to do, but at the same time it might be prohibitive because of the selective exploitation techniques that we just talked about. If I render it once with IE, I have to render it again with Firefox. That means I need another proxy and a bunch of other IPs so that they can't, or different geolocations. So it's always cat and mouse, and that is something that we definitely are looking for once we perceive more value. Absolutely. Absolutely. In fact, it would be a different version of the VM in order to get the different to get the different browser. I wouldn't trust the browsers to live happily without stepping on each other for all the different feature sets. So if I wanted to implement Firefox, it would be a new VM type that would get thrown up, and then everything would be identical. Correct. There are methods of spoofing that and actually letting it load the correct one. If you haven't seen Wepawet, it's a great tool by UCSB. They do very similar things where they look for selective branching and then go back and execute all the branches. They can do that because they're an emulator. That means they don't have the scale, but at the same time, they got a lot more control about the render process. I like Wepawet. I will not say anything bad about those guys. They've done some wonderful things. Anyone else? Thank you very much. Have a great day.